This is going to be a really quick video over two of the problems on the 9.3 puzzle that you did not learn how to do in your notes or on IXL yesterday. So let's look at number 9. We have x plus 4 squared equals 0. You need to treat this as it's like x squared equals 0. So how do you undo something squared? You still take the square root of both sides. Okay, so the square root of something squared, you're just left with what's underneath. Okay, and then the square root of 0 is 0. You can finish up that one on your own. Same thing with 10, same thing with 11. 12 is a little different. If you thought of this as 9x squared equals 36, what would you do first? Well, you would divide by 9. So that's what we're going to do here. So when you do that, you're left with x plus 3 squared equals 36 divided by 9, which is 4. Now you do the same thing we just did. Square root of x plus 3 squared is x plus 3 equals the square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. Okay, so break it into the two equations and go there.